The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting compact camera releases of the year. This tiny gimbal camera packs serious power, making it a game-changer for creators, bloggers, travelers, and anyone looking for smooth, cinematic footage in a pocket-sized form factor. Recent leaks, insider reports, and hands-on footage confirm major upgrades, including a dual sensor system. The main 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor pairs with a secondary 1.3-inch sensor, giving creators versatile options for cinematic video, social media reels, and fast field recording without constantly swapping lenses. Another standout feature is the variable aperture, a rarity in such a small device, allowing full control over exposure and depth of field. Whether you're shooting bright cityscapes or low-light environments, this ensures consistent brightness and that shallow depth of field look usually reserved for larger mirrorless cameras. Performance-wise, the Pocket 4 is expected to offer 6K recording at 30 fps, 4K at 120 fps, and additional slow-motion options. The secondary sensor could be a game-changer for vertical content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, reducing post-production cropping and reframing. The design keeps the signature compact silhouette with a brighter, more color-accurate front display. DJI has also improved battery life with a 1,545 mAh cell, roughly a 20% increase, longer recording sessions, and better thermal management for uninterrupted filming. Stabilization is smarter than ever, with upgraded active track, improved walking footage, and AI-powered subject recognition. Audio quality has also been enhanced, along with faster Wi-Fi, better Bluetooth, and seamless smartphone integration. Industry insiders suggest the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 will launch in China around December 18, followed by a global release later in December. With dual sensors, variable aperture, advanced stabilization, 6K capture, bigger battery, improved audio, and social media-friendly ratios, this could be the ultimate compact filmmaking tool. If you're ready to elevate your content with cinematic quality in a pocket-sized camera, the Osmo Pocket 4 might just be the perfect upgrade. Stay tuned for the official release, and let us know in the comments, what feature are you most excited for?